today. I am your mathematics teacher, Sir Jojo Jose G. Rosario, and welcome to Mathematics 10, Quarter 1, Week 1. Our topic for today is all about the objectives of this topic are generate and describe patterns using symbols and mathematical expressions. Find the next few terms in sequence. Sequence is a set of numbers written in a specific pattern. To illustrate the sequence, a sub 1 be the first term of the sequence, a sub 2 be the second term of the sequence, a sub 3 it is the third term of the sequence, and a sub n be the last term of the sequence. Given the list of numbers 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11, 3 is the first term of the sequence, 5 it is the second term of the sequence, 7 it's the third term of the sequence, 9 it's the fourth term of the sequence, and 11 it is the last term or fifth term of the sequence. A finite sequence is a sequence contains a finite number of terms. Example of a finite sequence. The first example contains 6 number of terms of a finite sequence. The second example contains 4 number of terms of a finite sequence. And the last example contains 8 number of terms of a finite sequence. Another type of a sequence is infinite sequence. A sequence that contains an infinite number of terms. Examples of infinite sequence: 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. 1, 1 over 2, 1 over 4, 1 over 8, and so on. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on. As you observe, we have these 3 dots of the 3 sequence, and it is called as ellipses. It means that the sequence contains an infinite number of terms. Find the next term of the sequence 17, 22, 27, 32. Get the first term and the second term of our sequence. As you observe, we obtain 22 by adding 5 to the preceding term. And this is the pattern to obtain the next term of our sequence. So what will be the next term after 32? Adding by 5 equals 37. So this is the fifth term of our sequence. Let us try another example. Find the next term of the sequence 1 half, 1 fifth, 1 over 8, 1 over 11. Get the first term and the second term of the sequence. As you observe, the numerator of the fractions are constant, which is 1, while the denominator, we obtain 5 by adding 3 to the denominator of the preceding term. And this is the pattern to determine the next term of our sequence. So what will be the next term after 1 over 11? Adding by 3 to the denominator, so the fifth term is 1 over 14. Tell whether the sequence is finite or infinite. Find the next number of its sequence.